The Spanish tactician, who delivered 5 trophies in 3 seasons at the Soweto Giants, touched down in Mzansi this week, his first appearance in the country since abruptly departing Pirates last season to join Egyptian powerhouse Al Ahly. Rivero's North African adventure, however, proved short-lived. Despite high expectations at the reigning CAF Champions League record holders, his stint lasted just a few months before parting ways at the end of August. Now back on South African soil, Rivero insists his visit has nothing to do with job negotiations. Instead, he is in the country as a special guest of Carling Black Label ahead of the next week's Carling Knockout Cup final. He said, "I've been part of the Black Label journey for 3 years already, 2 special ones in the last 2 years. Now I have the opportunity to be part of the brand for a couple of weeks to make sure we have an exciting tournament in the end." That's why he was speaking on SuperSport TV with Thomas Mlambo. Carling Black Label is expected to clarify Rivero's exact role during a media briefing scheduled for Wednesday. For now, his presence alone has already set tongues wagging, especially within the Buccaneers faithful, who still hold him in high regard. Rivero oversaw 131 matches at Pirates, winning an impressive 82, numbers that cement him as one of the club's most successful coaches of the modern era. Under his leadership, Pirates lifted multiple domestic cups and re-established themselves as a dominant knockout force. Fittingly, his former club will contest the Carling Knockout Cup final against Chimaromo Gallants on 6 December. The winner will qualify for the unique Carling All-Stars Showdown, a fan-driven exhibition featuring PSL players and DStv Disc Challenge prospects selected through the public voting. For 2 consecutive years, supporters overwhelmingly chose Rivero to coach the Carling All-Stars side, and he delivered both times, defeating Stellenbosch FC 2-1 and Magesi 3-0 in the once-off matches. Whether his latest visit marks the beginning of a new chapter in South Africa remains to be seen, but with his track record, his popularity, and a league ever in search of elite coaching minds, speculation is unlikely to slow anytime soon. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.